Welcome back to the third video in our series. This video is going to add the finishing touches on our analysis. For those of you who have not already done the finishing touches, what you could do, and there's multiple ways of doing it. First, click on the pivot table. It opens up the pivot table analysis sheet. From there, you will need to look at, now we don't want to do formatting. Let's make sure we get it right. There we go, sorry. The field list. Now earlier in the video, one of the previous videos, second video, I showed you how you can move the gender down, and you see it does columns and rows, but this is not really the look that we had on the web page. What you want to do is kind of play with it a little bit, move it around to where it makes sense. You want to provide meaningful information. Here you can see it, the section of the grid of visualization, but one grouping up top, one grouping here, and it actually looks a little bit more comparative in that nature. So it's actually very useful analysis if you're trying to compare, the differences on the identity between the genders. This would be one way to do it. It also happens to match the way that the visualization is shown in the visualization worksheet. Then close this and highlight. This is really great the way conditional formatting works in Excel. If you highlight the numbers, what you could do is go to conditional formatting and you can select highlight cells by rule greater than, and Excel offers you a way of doing it. Basically, you add a condition in and it would show the color. This is the classic way of doing it. The more advanced version of Excel gives you a 3-color scale, which works on 50 percentile, lowest value, and highest value. Highest value, I think those as green, those are the best ones, right? If you choose the lowest percentile and highest value, Excel dynamically stores the information between low, medium, and high. And that's pretty useful because you may get the data reloaded every time you get it, so having it more dynamic is always a better thing to do. And you say OK. As you notice, you click off of it, you have this section repeat the same exercise for this part. So what we've done in this video is we've shown you how to take the pivot table, how to create groupings, how to apply conditional formatting. I hope that this video